Hey makers, this is Dhruvin and today I am going to talk about one of the new feature rolled out in the Copilot Studio. Now, whenever you are building any kind of agent in Copilot Studio, you are having search option over here. This is called as a global search in the Copilot Studio. You can simply press Ctrl plus J key or you can simply clicking on this in order to open this Copilot global search over here. Right now you can able to search different things from your knowledge base, your topics, your tools, your skills or your entities. Let's say for an example, I just want to search over here like send email. So it will basically show me that okay, which are the places where I have that send email option is available. I just started typing this thing and it is going to show me this values over here. Now whenever I'm clicking on anything, it will directly redirect us to that specific tool where I find that particular search result. So simply utilize this feature and make your life easier with this new search at Copilot agent level. At this point, it has some limitations as well. For an example, this global search is not working at this point for different setting option. If you have created any custom entity value or synonyms or display name, it will not search. Agent details such as agent name, description and instruction, agent triggers, trigger node name and trigger phrases, suggested prompt, child agent and connected agent and comments. These are the places where the global search is not working at this point. Hopefully in the future it will work, but check out this documentation for more detail in future whenever you are watching this episode. Alright, so that's it for today. Hope this video helps you and values your time. If so, hit thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and if you are looking for premium only videos, click on the join button over here, because for our premium members we have exclusive content published on our YouTube channel, which you can look it out. One of the popular series is Responsive Canvas app step-by-step series. It is a premium only series. When you look at this, all these episodes are only from premium members, and the price of the premium membership is just less than one medium size of pizza, which is starting from 5,999 per month. So you can simply clicking on join button in order to join for my premium membership. So with this is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next episode with some amazing content. Till then, have a great day. Goodbye.